Hello student. Today we are take a very important topic of economic geography, and that is industries. In today's topic of industries, we are going to deal with classification of industries and factor affecting the location of industry. Okay, this is our topic. Let us first understand what is an industry. An industry refers to an economic activity which is related to the production of goods. The iron and steel industry, the petroleum, mining industries, the entertainment industry are some example of industries. Now, why do we have to need industries? That is very important to have industries in our country because that raise the income of the people. It provides employment to a large part of the population, and that helps the population to have better standard of living. It bridges the trade gap. Now, what do we understand this term? It means a situation where the country buys more from other country and it sells to other country. Now, if we have a large number of industry, then import will be less and export will be high. That is why is meant by the bridging the trade gap, where the country will be able to import less and export more, and this will help in making the economy of that particular country to be strong. Industry are also needed to cater to the demand of consumers. Consumers, that is people like us, they have a lot of demand, so all demands of goods can be fulfilled when there are enough industry in the country. Industry also help in changing the social economic environment of the people. Now, what does this mean? The change in the social economic condition and environment of the people refer to both social and physical determines access to employment, who will lead to increased demand and income, and this will turn lead to better education, which will help to improving the standard living of the people. Industry also help in providing security and self-reliance. Security means it will the self-confidence of the people, and self-reliance means it was due making their own economic strong. Industries also lead to bring technological progress in the country. Now, let us understand how the classification of industry are done. Again, I repeat, we will understand how the classification of industry are done. Industry are classified on the basis of the source of raw materials used, their size, their ownership and nature of the end products. Now, let us learn about some important types of industry. The first one is, in this category we have agro-based industry. Now, this industry obtain their raw material from agricultural, primarily from plants. Cotton, jute, sugar and food processing industry are included in agro-based industry. Next in line we have cottage industry. Now, these are primarily household industry. Craftspeople along with their family members are involved in the production of the goods. This type of cottage industries include pottery making, basket making, rope making, handloom textiles and so on. They normally use locally available raw materials and very simple tools. A very small amount of capital is invested and the product is normally sold in the local market. That means people with their product do not have the travel very far off areas. All these products are found to be sold locally and nearby areas where is cottage industry plus.